Thank you for purchasing your LACHI beef peeler. This video is about how to set it up. Place the motor on a flat surface and plug in the appliance. Place the processing bowl and lock it in as shown. Install the rough disc. Choose the barrier ring, type 2, 3 or 4. Place the barrier ring into the machine. Place the special filter. Install the lid as shown, ensuring it locks into position. Turn knobs to 1 and 2 to test the machine for correct setup. Setting up the blender and dry grinder. Place the blender jar and lock it in as shown. Place the dry grinder and lock it into position as shown. Using the product. Use the measuring cup to measure quantity of beans to peel. 2 cups for mung beans, 2 or 3 cups for brown or black eye beans, 2 or 3 cups for chickpeas or garbanzo beans, 2 cups for soya beans, 2 cups for lentils. Choose the optimal barrier ring. Type 3 for brown beans or black eye beans, type 4 for chickpeas, type 2 for soya beans, mung beans and lentils. To peel brown beans, place the processing bowl and install the rough disc. Pour in 2 cups of brown beans. Place the type 3 barrier ring. Pour water at room temperature to the level of the barrier ring. Place the special filter. Place the lid and lock it in. Turn the knob to speed 2 and run for 2 minutes. Open the lid. Take out the special filter, the barrier ring and the rough disc. Pour out the peeled beans. Then pour out the hulls from the special filter. Wash the components with hard or soft glove. Your brown beans is peeled faster and stress-free. Use same method for black eye beans. Beans like chickpeas, lentils, soya beans and mung beans need pre-treatment before peeling. For chickpeas, lentils and soya beans, soak with water at 100 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes of soaking, drain the hot water. Your beans is now ready for peeling. For mung beans, soak first with hot water at 100 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, drain the hot water and pour fresh hot water at 100 degrees Celsius and soak for another 30 minutes. After the second 30 minutes of soaking, drain the hot water and pour out the mung beans into the processing bowl. For your pre-treated beans, put the selected barrier ring in place and add water to the level of the ring. Place the special filter. Place the lid and lock it in. Turn knob to speed 2. Run at speed 2 for 2 minutes for chickpeas and 4 minutes for lentils, soya beans and mung beans. Take out the special filter, barrier ring and rough disc. Then pour out the peeled beans. Chickpeas or garbanzo beans, mung beans, lentils, soya beans. Your chickpeas, mung beans, lentils, and soya beans is peeled faster and stress-free.